it suddenly dawned on me that I have this camera pointed at me and I don't have a damn clue on how any of this actually works. Like, really, how is this block that's sitting right in front of me capturing every single thing that I'm doing in real time, all the colors, like, it's getting all of this. Like, if I had a gun to my head and they told me I had to give them some type of thesis, okay, on how a camera works, I mean, you might as well pull the trigger because I have no idea. As you guys saw from the beginning clip, I decided to do that instead of an intro because you guys know how much I struggle with it, but it's a rainy day and I love having coffee, and I pulled out this mug today, which is so beautiful. So I'll probably be sipping on that throughout this haul, but it is Dollar Tree haul time, and I found some new stuff plus an item that I honestly did not think I would find again, that I've had like in the back of my mind, hoping and praying that I see it again, and I'll show you guys that one straight away. I'm not gonna make you wait. So, and it is these gorgeous bath brushes, wooden bath brushes. They're just absolutely beautiful. So I've already hauled them before, but it was a couple months ago, I think, maybe over a month or so. And I remember just being so blown away by how gorgeous these are. And I knew, I was like, okay, you know how Dollar Tree works. Like, if I really truly love something, I will get backups. And I want to also put some of these in my daughter's bathroom and in the guest bathroom upstairs. So these are also brand new items that I've never seen before at Dollar Tree, so definitely new in this week. And these are the exfoliating bath cloths. So super interesting, unique. These are the two colors that I found. Very pretty, gonna look great again in a gift basket, care package, all of the things, but exfoliating for smooth, soft skin, folded in here. I'm definitely gonna be sending one in a care package for my daughter. I think that'd be really cute. It says, let's spa. So on the back, it does not have the Dollar Tree information, and the reason why I point this information out to you is that if you are an avid Dollar Tree shopper, then these might be an item that you'll want to put on your list and look for as soon as possible, because once they go, you're probably not going to see a restock. Oh, I just realized the back of this says exclusively at Target. I wonder how much these go for at Target. I'm gonna look this up and throw the price right here, but I promise you it's not $1. So the fact that I just found this at Dollar Tree is really exciting. So anyway, so that's new. Let's move on to some Dollar Tree toys. Now, if you have a little one or you're planning on doing a gift basket or care package or like whatever it is, birthday gift, what you need to know is that Dollar Tree just put out brand new toys I've never seen before. So definitely be on the lookout for these. So the first ones are these little kitchen play sets. This brand has been at Dollar Tree with this logo and everything, but these are brand new. They look really cool and kind of gives it like a more grown-up look, you know, more mature look. So if your child or someone you know has like a little kitchenette, this would be a great pickup. I mean, it's $1 and you get, it doesn't even say, but let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that a double? 6 utensils in here, and I found pink and I found red. I did not find any other colors, but they could be out there. So $1, that's absolutely insane. I also found some pretty huge unicorns. Also, can we talk about unicorns for a second? Why is it that it's hard to believe that there could be a horse with a horn on it, but yet giraffes aren't mystical. Like, do you know what I mean? I don't know why I just went there. But these are also brand new. You get like the big unicorn and then the matching little mini unicorn. Super adorable. I have no idea why they did it like that, like a big and a little, but like there you go. And I found them in the pink and purple options. Super charming as well. And then these were really amazing. Also part of that kitchen play set. We have these little food options. You get the ice cream cone. You can see that there's a little ice cream. You can put it in there like that. And then you have the cone like that. And then you have donuts in here, milk, and then what looks to be a chocolate bar. Definitely new, super amazing. This line is just getting better and better, which is very exciting because I love seeing brands and labels that are consistently sold at Dollar Tree. I love seeing them make updates to their products. I really love that. I mean, for $1, like that's just amazing in my opinion. Okay, I also found doctor kits, which reminds me of an I Love Lucy episode I just finished watching the other day, where Ricky wants to get little Ricky drums and Lucy wants to get him a doctor set. And then of course, little Ricky picks the drums, but this just kind of reminds me of that. But here's the doctor set in pink and in blue. I love that we're getting color options. And how many pieces? It's a 5-piece set. What? This is at Dollar Tree for $1. Like what? I wish they had stuff like this when my daughter was little. I really don't think that toys back in the early 2000s at Dollar Tree were at all on this level, to be honest. And then there's even a dentist kit. I mean, I've seen Dollar Tree do like doctor kits before, but this one is new, by the way. I don't think I've ever in 20 years have seen them do a dentist kit. So really interesting concept. And this was the only one that I saw from the dentist kit. I don't know if there's like another one and I missed it, but there you go. So there's that. And then is that it for, oh nope, there's another toy. This one's pretty awesome too. What? So this is a dartboard, and then you can see that the balls have like the Velcro. Isn't that amazing? And then it does have the little loop here so that you can attach it to a wall if you have some type of like space in your garage for games, or you have a game room or whatever it is. Or you know what, even taking this to your office, you know, and just having it like one of those stress kind of toys, you know, I don't know. So pretty awesome. I did not see any other game type in this like label format, but I'm gonna be on the lookout for sure. Very exciting, brand new. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any other toys because I didn't pick all the stuff out of the bag, so let's just kind of move on. I found some new tissue paper, and it has like the scales from a mermaid or a fish. Super pretty, love the pastels. I definitely picked this up with my niece in mind, maybe just storing it away for her 4th birthday. And I love this solid color too. It's like a robin's egg blue. It's coming across on camera a shade darker, but it's very beautiful in person. And then I couldn't remember if I picked up this pen set or not. It did look like, I was like, I don't think I have. Lately, I have been buying a lot of pens, a lot of like stationery supplies at Dollar Tree because I'm just getting ready to redo my craft room, get everything organized, get everything stocked. I want to do like a whole series about this on my channel. And you guys know I love the Dollar Tree stationery items. It left a little window open so that you can feel the grip on the pen. It's actually really nice. And they are assorted inks, which makes me so excited. You know, because there's always a lot of black and blue pens to be found at Dollar Tree, but assorted inks can be not always available, I guess you could say, so I'm very excited. Like, look at this hot pink one. So pretty. I got those. Now these candles I actually had on my list. I knew that I wanted to pick up some candles because I'm actually going to be redoing my bedroom for summertime, but I'm not sure if these are going to fit into the candle votive that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So actually, let me go get it and we're going to test it out right now. All right, I knew immediately as soon as I pulled it out of the bag that it was not going to fit. Since I have hauled the disposable coffee cups once upon a time, if you're new to my channel, this used to be one of my favorite things to find at Dollar Tree all the time. And they just put out a new pattern, so I wanted to show you guys what I found. So yeah, so these are reusable or disposable. Okay, and they come with the lids. You get 5 cups in here, but look how cute these sleeves are. Oops, should have opened all this. Is that not so beautiful? Doesn't it look like it came from just the cutest little coffee shop? And then these are tucked in here. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. I'm gonna set that right there. And then this one I feel like I have already bought before, but I don't know, maybe this is an update as well. I love that there's not like a word on here. I just think because there's already a print going on there. I don't know, so, yeah, so there's that. Super cute. And then we have this one. This one's definitely a new print. I've never shown it on camera before, so I feel like this is new 2021. Very pretty. Kind of gives me like Santa Fe vibes a little bit. Look at that. What? Absolutely gorgeous. And then, sorry that I'm in the way there. And then the last one, which is also very cool as well. Each of them, again, have 5 cups. What? How pretty is this? Kind of, I don't know, kind of gives me lava vibes, or maybe just like an old tree kind of thing. I don't know, but really pretty. Love the colors. And this one also has no words. So the only one that did is this one. But I think it was a smart move because the cup is just like white and plain. So really amazing. And I wanted you guys to see that these are at Dollar Tree. So there's that. I'm just gonna put them back in here. And then I'm gonna show you guys some new socks. Also been a while since I've shown some socks, but these were too cute not to grab and to show. They're actually labeled as fashion men's socks, but I wear Dollar Tree socks in my house all the time, and if you watch my vlogs, you already know. Like, I was wearing Christmas socks the other day. It is what it is. But this one has a cute bowling set. So cute. This would be a great pickup too for Father's Day, by the way. Would be great, you know, in a gift basket for dad. So really cute. And then I don't think I've ever picked up the farmhouse trucks. Yeah, I think I would definitely have remembered this one, but I love the sage green trim. It's also here on the top. But they did not just give us farmhouse trucks on socks. Dollar Tree knows. They know what we're talking about. I swear they do. And then this one I picked up because the moment my eyes landed on it, I said, girls just want to have fun, 80s, don't tell mom the babysitter's dead. Like, all of these things just swarmed my mind as soon as I saw this. I missed another sock, so here it is. Super cute, looks like little sailboats. I love this. It's very, I don't know, Maine, Connecticut. I don't know why like that pops up in my mind, but I think it's really cute. Yeah, these are new and really cute $1 socks. Also found some new scarves as well. They actually had other options, but I just picked up the 2 that I really liked. And what's interesting about them is that they added little tassels. What? I love this one. This one is going to look gorgeous on a straw bag your beach bag, to your luggage, like super cute. And then this one has like butterflies and ladybugs on it. What? How pretty. And also has tassels as well. Honestly, they picked the perfect color for the tassel because it picks up that blue. Then I picked up some soap. This is not new. I've picked it up before. It's just the oatmeal and coconut. I love the packaging. They have some really cute soap options. And then this one, I was just on the fence. I was like, is this buttermilk new? So I'm not entirely sure. I could have already hauled this and shown it to you guys, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pick it up anyway. Gently cleanses with delicate chamomile and creamy buttermilk. I don't know why, but that was just super intriguing. I want to show you guys the soap. I used to watch soap cutting videos. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? They are so satisfying. Just people like cutting soap. Like, I know that sounds probably pretty bizarre, but like if you watch it, it's like the most satisfying video ever. And then while we're here, I'm just gonna show you guys this one. Isn't this bar of soap just absolutely stunning? If you were to do a gift basket and make it look really raw and earthy, you could pick this up, take it out of the packaging, and just put this, you know, in a gift basket, add a loofah, a washcloth. And then the last couple of things are some new bags, cosmetic bags, and they are tie-dye. What? Absolutely love it. These were the 3 that I found. I probably got the full collection. So gorgeous. I love that they did a gold detail here. But there you go. You know, this could also be for your craft supplies, your planning supplies. You know, you could throw it in your purse if you feel like you have a lot of small loose things, pens, gum, cough drops, all of those things. Or you could, you know, whoa. Anyways, you know what to do with these. So there's that. And then these are brand new as well. I haven't seen them do coin purses in a while, but you guys, how adorable are these? What? It's freaking cute. And they're so disco-y. It just definitely gives me like 70s vibes for some reason. But there you go. Little coin purse. Throw it into your purse. And it doesn't even have to be for coins. I don't know, comment. What would you, if you threw this in your purse, what would you put in here besides coins? And these were the 4 color options that I found. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Comment down below. Let me know, as always, what you wrote down on your list. I go through all of these comments all the time, so I love seeing what you guys post. But yeah, that's it. So tomorrow is going to be a home decor haul. Definitely come back and check that out if you're following my home seasonal decor journey. I just did the entryway, so I'll link that down below in case you want to see that. And then for tomorrow's video, you guys will see some really amazing finds that I picked up at like TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby and things like that for around the house. And then Sunday, as always, we'll get back into another Dollar Tree haul. So hopefully I'll see you guys there, and see you next time.